Today's challenge is all about family conversations. But be careful. Some answers look right, but only one truly fits. Ready? Let's test your real-life English instincts. First, Dad. Who's that woman in the photo? You. She's my A. Cousin, B. Aunt, C. Niece, D. Daughter. Answer: B. Aunt. Your aunt is your parents' sister. Second, Mum. Why is your brother so quiet today? You. He, after working all night. A. Tired. B. Is tired. C. Was tired. D. Tiring. Answer: B. Is tired. Don't forget the verb to be before adjectives. 3. Sister. Are you close to your grandparents? You. Yes, I visit them weekend. A. In. B. On. C. Every. D. At. Answer: C. Every. Every weekend sounds natural in daily conversation. 4. Uncle. Who does your baby look like? You. Everyone says she, her mother. A. Look. B. Looks. C. Looking. D. Looked. Answer: B. Looks. Third person singular strikes again. 5th, Mum. Where's your father now? You. He's work. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. To. Answer: C. At. At work is a fixed expression. 6th, Cousin. Do you live with your parents? You. No, I live my own now. A. By. B. On. C. With. D. In. Answer: B. On. On my own means independent. 7. Grandma. You've grown so tall. You. Yes, it's because of good genes. A. Family. B. Parents. C. Relative. D. Blood. Answer: A. Family. Family genes is a common phrase. 8. Dad. Is your sister married? You. No, she's still A. Alone. B. Single. C. Lonely. D. Only. Answer: B. Single. Single does not mean lonely. 9. Mum. Why are you smiling at your phone? You. I just got a message from my A. Siblings. B. Parents. C. Wife. D. Husbands. Answer: C. Wife. Singular message, singular person. 10. Friend. How many children does your uncle have? You. He has 2 sons and 1 A. Girl. B. Sister. C. Daughter. D. Niece. Answer: C. Daughter. Sons and daughter. Perfect family balance. How many did you get right? Type your score in the comments. 10 out of 10? 7 out of 10? Be honest. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to ESC Speaking and Conversation for more fun, real-life English practice. More challenges are coming, and they'll be even trickier.